call me Britney Spears because I did it again.
Perfect.
Hello broskies and welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. And if you're new here, I'm Erkin and this is the life of a broski, where of course I bring you sneakers, lifestyle, and more waffle than Captain Birdseye. So broskies, as you can tell by the title, yes, I have reviewed one of these sneakers a few videos ago, but when I saw this colorway on the New Balance website, I just couldn't say no. But before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you stay up to date. But anyways broskies, now that the waffle is out of the way, on this episode I am reviewing the New Balance 327 Black and Energy Red. Now the release of the 327 of course was this year, and it has been one of the most popular sneakers in the industry. A lot of these colorways, especially the first few, were selling out like nobody's business. But now the hype is slowly dying down. The demand is still there, and New Balance have brought out so many different colors. And yes, I did review the neon green colorway, and if you do want to watch that video, I'll leave a link up here or down below. So I bought that colorway. It was obviously for the summer, and in the UK, we don't really get a summer. We get about 10 days of sunshine. So I thought I needed a colorway that was for the colder months. Now I did have my eyes on the navy and white pair, and then I saw the black and white pair. But then I saw the khaki and white pair, and I had all three of them in the cart at once. But then I saw this black, blue and energy red, and then I was like, forget about it. I took all of them out and put this colorway in and checked out. So looking around one of the latest 327 colorways by New Balance, it is very similar to most of the other colorways in terms of the materials used, such as that nylon upper with those suede overlays. As you can tell, we have that enlarged New Balance N in that dark blue colorway on the lateral side, with of course those fused suede overlays that run across the toe guard. And that leads up to the lacing feeds and also at the heel counter. So instead of that enlarged N on the medial side, we actually have the New Balance in full writing towards the back. Now of course this sneaker is inspired by those retro runners from the past, and you can definitely tell from the midsole. The circular traction panels create this retro runner look that runs all the way from the toe guard and wraps around at the back of the heel counter. So we've got that triangular shape that covers most of the heel counter. Now I feel that is a sort of Marmite look. You either like it or you don't. For me, in my opinion, I'm digging it. It creates a very nice look that stands out. Now of course we have that EVA midsole in that eye-catching energy red. And this is what actually drew me to this sneaker. It is just so eye-catching. Now going to that thin nylon tongue, we have the NB badge right at the top. And inside is the Intelligent Choice 327. And we have those normal roped flat laces on the top. So broskies, that is the first look at this black, blue and energy red colorway. It doesn't really change much in terms of the look of the sneaker. It's just, for me, the color blocking is something else. That red EVA midsole. Oof, amazing. It just goes so well with those black, nylon and suede materials. Now of course the shape and this style of sneaker, it's not for everyone. When I first saw these online, I had to give these a miss. In all honesty, it had to grow on me a bit. So the shape of the mid and outsole is about medium width at the back. Then towards the middle, it narrows off quite a bit and then becomes very wide towards the forefront. It has that sort of camel hoof look, but I'm a fan. I have to admit it. Now these are retailing for £80 on the New Balance website, and I actually got them at 20% off. So after discount, I actually got them for £64. And for what this sneaker offers, that is a bargain. So broskies, when it comes to the sizing of this sneaker, these fit very much true to size. For me, I got my normal size 9 UK and they fit just fine. So overall comfort, what are you getting for £80? Is this the creme de la creme from New Balance? Does it sacrifice the comfort for the price? Or is it somewhere in between? Now it isn't right up there with the likes of the React or Ultra Boost, but you're getting way more for your money. At literally half the price, there isn't much of a difference. You could actually wear this sneaker on a daily for hours on end and you wouldn't even feel it. I am a fan of the 327 in general, and the way the materials just sit on your foot alongside that EVA midsole, it's very difficult to not like this sneaker. But overall comfort, I'm gonna give an 8.5. Now when it comes to the breathability of this sneaker and the materials used, in my opinion there aren't many sneakers that can pull off that nylon and suede fusion. But the shape of this sneaker, the way they've implemented it, is actually spot on. Now I know I've got a darker colorway this time, and wearing these in the coldest of weathers wouldn't be the smartest choice to make, because the breathability is right up there due to those thin and light materials. But overall broskis, when it comes to breathability, not one complaint. Out of 10, I'm gonna give a 9. So broskis, this black, blue, energy red. Is this bad boy a buy or a buy? Now the massive amounts of colorways that are coming out for the 327, why wasn't this sooner? New Balance, why? You really missed the chance to get these 327s out for the summer. There would have been massive amounts of people wearing these on those hot summer days. But I'm not going to complain, they're here now. Better late than never, but never late is better. Now like I've mentioned, the shape of this sneaker has really grown on me from when I first saw it. And a nice blend of that nylon material with those suede overlays. And of course the comfort on this sneaker. But one of the standout things for me with this colorway is that use of the energy red on the midsole. I love a sneaker that isn't too outlandish, it doesn't try too hard, but is also very eye-catching. So overall, for me, the 327, black, blue and energy red, I'm gonna give a buy. There's not much a sneaker can give you for that price of £80 more than this 327. You're getting a lot more bang for your buck with this sneaker. But anyways broskis, let me know what you think. Is the 327 your cup of tea? Have you already copped this colorway? Have you gone for a different color? Or are these a total miss from you? Leave your comments down below, and of course I will be pinning the best one. Anyways broskis, that's enough from me. I do hope you liked this video, and of course, as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course, until the next episode, take care.